Hi, my name is Charlotte and I'm a brand ambassador for docrafts, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the colour shaper tools, which are double-ended. Now I've got two tools to show you today. One has a taper end and the other has a chisel, and I'm going to be showing you how to make a little hat with both of them. So I've used some of the Craft Planet modelling clay and I've made a basic hat, and what you can do to smooth it out, if you want to get long straight lines, you can use the silicone chisel end and that will give you a lovely smooth finish. And if you're not holding the project, it will also get rid of any fingerprints on there as well. So any cracks that come from it, they get moved around. And the great thing is it's a heavy base silicone, so it doesn't actually pick up any of the colour, so it all stays on your project. And if you wanted to add some detail, you've got the steel end, so you can make any marks and correct them again with the silicone end. So we've also got the taper point, and this is great if you want to add some little details, or if you want to get a more circular feel to your project, you can just roll it round. Now with the colour shaper, you can also use it to add colour to your projects. So I'm going to add some blue spots to mine. And with the steel end, you can cut through. It makes it really easy to do that. So if you want to cut off a little bit, just roll it out, cut it again. So you really only need to have these tools to do any of your projects. So now that I've got a little blue dot, just pop it onto your hat, and with the tapered end, you slowly roll it in, and this gives you a really lovely finish, so you don't really see it sticking out. You can do this with so many different projects. If you wanted to add that little bit of colour, if you wanted to make a face, there you go. And say you wanted to get rid of something underneath, you can take this cutter and it will cut a very thin channel out. So if you wanted to make the inside a bit hollow, you can use that one to get that finish. So you can add lots of different dots on here. If you wanted to, you can also use the chisel, and that will give you a different finish again. So this will go, if you wanted to add some bigger dots. And you can see how it goes into the two colours really nicely as well. With the chisel end, you've got a straight bit, so if you wanted to add the detail, you can add detail again. So if you wanted a little brim to your hat, you can do that. And you can also add this way. So with straight lines with the chisel and with the taper, you can add some nice little dots there as well. Thank you very much for watching.